welcome to Danish Language Bites. Today we are going to talk numbers, and if you're looking to practice your Danish numbers in a quick and easy way, this video is for you. So let's get started. And we'll start with the numbers from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Og her har vi numrene fra 10 til 19. Here we got the numbers from 10 to 19. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Og you will see here that the T's in these numbers are not really pronounced. You're rather pronouncing them with a D. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 og 19. So you can't really hear any T there. So let us do them again. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And here I've got a quick overview of the numbers in their tens up to 100. So you have an idea what's going to come next. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And it's really handy to know these numbers because the Danes tend to say their numbers in twos, in pairs, in their tens instead of individually, for example, in phone numbers. So here we got the numbers from 20 to 29, 20 til 29, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. And here we got the numbers from 30 to 39, 30 til 39, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Og her er numrene fra 40 til 49. Here we got the numbers from 40 to 49. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. And from 50 to 59, 50 til 59, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Og her fra 60 til 69, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. Og her fra 70 til 79, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. Moving on to 80. Fra 80 til 89, 80 to 89, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. And here we've got 90 to 99, 90 til 99, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. And finally, we got numbers here from 100 to a billion. Så 100, 200, 1000, 2000, 1 million, 2 millioner, 1 billion, 2 billioner. And let's just finally do a quick recap to finish off. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, so this was the end of this lesson. I hope you found it useful. If you've got any questions, you are welcome to email me on this email address. Bye for now, and hope to see you in the next lesson. Hej så længe.